Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your PC without needing a local emulator. First, you will need to choose a reliable cloud gaming service that offers mobile games. After selecting one, create an account and subscribe to a plan that fits your needs. Then, download and install the service's dedicated client application onto your personal computer. Once installed, simply log in and find Clash Royale within their extensive game library. Once you have launched Clash Royale through the cloud gaming client, the next step is to link your game account. Log in using your Supercell ID to ensure all your existing progress and achievements are readily available. Most cloud services provide robust customization options for controls. Take some time to configure your keyboard and mouse settings, adjusting sensitivity and key bindings to achieve your preferred and most effective gameplay experience. To ensure the best possible experience, optimizing your setup is key. First, make sure you have a stable and high-speed internet connection, ideally exceeding 50 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Close any unnecessary background applications on your computer to free up valuable system resources. Within the cloud gaming client, you can often adjust streaming quality settings. Experiment to find a balance between visual fidelity and performance. For minimal delay, consider using a wired Ethernet connection. Playing Clash Royale via cloud gaming offers several advantages. You can enjoy the game on a much larger screen, often with enhanced visual details, providing a more immersive experience. The precision of keyboard and mouse controls can give you a strategic edge in battles. Furthermore, you can access your game from various devices without needing to install anything locally. Remember to regularly check for service updates and new features to keep your gaming experience fresh and optimized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.